Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna to show you how to crochet an easy baby blanket pattern. This stitch is called a braided puff stitch. The front view and back view are the same in this pattern. It's very simple and only 2 rows repeated. You can use this pattern for many projects such as pot holders or bag or any project you want. I used 3 colors of Ali's Baby Best yarn for this pattern and 4mm crochet hook. You can use any yarn and any hook you want. If you're ready, let's get started. For the beginning, I make a slip knot and then make an even number of chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I made 40 chains totally, and now I make a single crochet in second chain from the hook. So skip the first chain and insert the hook into the second chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, single crochet into the next chain, single crochet into the next, single crochet into the next, and make 1 single crochet in each chain until the end of the row. At the end of this row, I want to make last stitch, so insert the hook into last chain, yarn over, pull up loop, but don't complete with same yarn. I want to change the yarn, so grab the next yarn and complete the single crochet, then chain 1 to secure it. Now I have 39 single crochet. You will have 1 less single crochet than starting chains. For next row, chain 1 and turn the work and make a single crochet into the first stitch here. Okay, in next stitch I make a puff stitch, yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull a loop, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. I have 7 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, and then chain 1. This is a puff stitch. Then skip the next stitch and make a puff stitch into the next. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, then chain 1, skip the next stitch and make a puff stitch into the next. 1, 2, 3, yarn over, pull through all of them, chain 1, skip the next and make a puff stitch into the next. Chain 1, skip the next, puff stitch into the next, and chain 1, and repeat this sequence until the end of the row. Okay, at the end I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 puff stitch. Now I'm going to make a single crochet in last stitch without chaining between puff stitch and single crochet. So insert the hook into the last chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, and complete this single crochet with next yarn. Grab the next yarn and complete this, then chain 1 to secure it, and chain 1, turn the work. And now in this row I make a single crochet in first stitch here, and then make a puff stitch into skipped stitch of first row here between these two puff stitches of previous row here. So yarn over, insert the hook into this stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through all of them, then chain 1 and make a puff stitch into next skipped stitch of first row here between these two puff stitches. 1, 2, 3, complete, chain 1 and skip next puff stitch and make a puff stitch here into this skipped stitch from first row. 1, 2, and 3, yarn over, pull through, chain 1, skip next puff stitch and make a puff stitch here into the skipped stitch of first row. And chain 1 and complete this sequence. Repeat this for all stitch until the end, and then I'll come back. Okay, at the end I have 18 puff stitches in this row, one less than puff stitches in previous row. So I want to make a single crochet in last stitch. So skip this puff stitch and make a single crochet in this single crochet, but not complete that, and grab the first yarn and complete that. Chain 1 to secure and chain 1, turn the work. For this row I make a single crochet in first chain here, and then make a puff stitch before first puff stitch of second row here. This is the first puff stitch, this is the single crochet, and I make a puff stitch here between the single crochet and this puff stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook here, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 and 3, yarn over, pull through, chain 1, then skip next puff stitch and make a puff stitch here into this chain 1 space of second row here. So yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through, chain 1, again skip the next puff stitch and make a puff stitch here into next chain 1 space of second row. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2, 3, yarn over, pull through, chain 1, skip next puff stitch and make a puff stitch here in next chain one space of second row. 1, 2, 3, yarn over, pull through, chain 1, and repeat this sequence until the end for other spaces of second row. I repeat that and then I'll come back. At the end, I have 19 puff stitches again, such as second row. And now I make a single crochet in last stitch of previous row. Yarn over, pull up a loop, but don't complete it. And grab the second yarn and complete it. Chain 1 to secure, chain 1 and turn the work, and single crochet in first stitch here, and now I'm going to repeat row 3 here. I don't make puff stitch here, but make a puff stitch here before first puff stitch of third row. One, 2, and 3. Okay, chain 1 and make a puff stitch into this space here, chain 1 space from third row. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, puff stitch here in chain 1 space of third row. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, make a puff stitch here in next chain 1 space from third row here. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 and make a puff stitch here before next puff stitch of third row. Chain 1 and repeat this until the end for other spaces of third row. At the end, I have 18 puff stitch here in this row, such as the third row, this row. And now I want to make a single crochet in last stitch of previous row. So yarn over, pull up a loop, but don't complete it. Grab the third yarn and complete this single crochet, chain 1, and again chain 1 and turn the work. And now I make a single crochet in first stitch here, and then I make a puff stitch here before first puff stitch of row 4 here. Yarn over between this single crochet and this puff stitch, insert the hook in this space and yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through, chain 1. And now make a puff stitch here in this chain 1 space of row 4. 1, 2, 3, and chain 1, make a puff stitch here in next chain 1 space of row 4, chain 1, make a puff stitch into the next chain 1 space, chain 1, and repeat this sequence until the end. At the end I have 19 puff stitch in this row, and then I have to make a single crochet in last stitch and change the yarn, and you have to repeat these 2 rows several times until you reach the desired size, and you have to change the color at the end of each row. Okay, I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.